Yesterday we had a very severe thunderstorm pass through. It was nothing like the one I showed on video a few days ago. This was much worse. This was a true severe thunderstorm. I wasn't able to get it on video, but it would have made a really good video because it was an impressive, very impressive feat of nature. Anyways, for a while, 5 or so minutes, the storm was directly overhead, and the lightning would flash and the thunder was instant. And the lightning was so powerful, it was like a camera flash. It was so bright and you could actually hear it. That little tink sound when it strikes. At some point during that storm, a whole mess of trees fell in the backyard. And I'm not quite sure what happened. There's some pieces that are like split in half. To me that kind of looks like maybe a lightning strike ate that up. I don't know. That I believe was already dead, so that might have just snapped off. Well, let's go see what happened. We have a big hole here now. And it looks like we have multiple trees that have fallen. We have this one here, which appears to be dead. And then we have several more trees. I think the best thing to do is just going to be to come inside here and take a look. See what we got from this angle. I don't see any branches hanging necessarily, so it should be okay to walk through here. So we have some branches snapped right here. That one tree came down and that took down some bits and pieces of this. That's a decent size, but it's manageable to get rid of. Broken sizable branches everywhere here. Oh, the mosquitoes are out of control in here. Alright, so what actually happened? So what I want to know here is what is the source of all this trouble? I have to excuse if the video is all blurry. It's kind of hard to move around through here. Alright, so we have, wow, we got a lot of trees that fell. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one I think is part of number 4. And we have number 5. So we have at least 5 trees that fell. This is kind of dangerous here. This is just chilling here. I could probably get that to come down if I tried hard enough. So we'll have to deal with that. I gotta get over to the other side, which means this. Is it gonna fall? No, I think it's still pretty good. Okay, so it looks like, wow. It looks like this tree actually dismantled itself. This came out of the ground. So this tree was alive here. It still is. That's what we saw at the top with the leaves on it. That was broken, and so that just fell. And it fell on that pine tree and took that with it. And, huh. Wow. Okay. I actually don't think I've ever been over here this far. I could certainly use this pipe. Take that. Well, this is quite a bit of damage. A lot more than I was expecting. I gotta get out of here. There's too many mosquitoes. Wow. Huh. That's something. That's a thick tree. What a mess. Geez, all that time I spent cleaning this up in the spring, and now it's worse than it ever was. Okay, back out. So we have a hole. This stuff I got to get out right away because I don't want to lose that tree that's bent over. That provides some privacy from the other property, which is a little messy. So I want to have that visual barrier there. And you know, there's more bushes like this that are under there, and I kind of don't want to lose those either. So I'm trying to get this cleaned up enough to get that tree back up. Hopefully it's in good shape still, and the rest of this is just a project for another date and time. This one I'll try to take care of sooner because that's manageable. The rest of it, I don't know. The problem is I don't know what to do with it. You know, there's a lot of wood here. Oh, not good. It could have been a lot worse. You know, could have been something that fell in the house. So I guess if a tree has to fall, this is the place for it to fall. But it's still a total pain in the neck.